listen. So we have here the throwing of bouquet, but don't you worry, ladies. Hindi yan ito-throw ng ating girl. Picture-taking purposes only. Kunwari, sasabihin nyo lang yung bouquet. So, kailangan itaas yung kamay. Okay? Alright, so get ready, ladies. Now our bride will now throw the bouquet in 3, 2, and 1. Go catch! This is the moment of truth, ladies. For you to be eliminated in this game, you have to catch this flower. Again, para ma-eliminate mo kayo sa game, kailangan nyo sabihin yung flower na ito na kailan. Alright? So get ready, ladies. In 3, 2, 1. And you're out of the game. Thank you so much, Jerry. Get ready, ladies. In 3, 2, 1. Next, get out of the game. Thank you so much. We're down to 7 players. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. And we're down to 6 lovely ladies. Once again, who will be moving our soon-to-be by 3, 2, 1. And they're out of the game. We're down to 5 players. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And we're down to 4. Thank you so much, man. We're out. In 3, 2, 1. Last 3 women standing. Get ready, ladies. In 3, 2, 1. At kung sino daw po yung nakakuha ng flower, ay siya daw po yung